Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining why your USPS package went back to distribution center in 2026. So if your tracking looks confusing, don't worry, this is more common than you think. So when a package goes back to a distribution center, it means that USPS could not complete the delivery or routing. So it was sent back to be processed again. Now this usually happens because of incorrect or incomplete address, because of missed delivery attempt, sorting or routing error, or delivery route issue. So the package is not lost, it's just being reprocessed. Now sometimes the package are scanned incorrectly or sent to the wrong route. In that case also USPS send it back to the distribution center to redirect it properly. Now, if the address is unclear or incomplete, USPS may send it back to verify the details before attempting the delivery. Now, if no one was available to receive the package at home, it may return to the center before the next attempt. So, when you see this type of message, all you need to do is you just have to simply wait for at least 24 to 48 hours for updated tracking. You can also check your address details and monitor for out for delivery again. Most of the packages get delivered after reprocessing. If the package keeps going back and forth or shows no update even after 2 to 3 days, you can directly contact to the USPS customer support team for your tracking number. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.